What do you know about that shit? What do you know about this?
Okay.
Yo, what is going on? This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpster Rentals in Texas. We did a hour-and-a-half drive, and we didn't record anything because somebody was sleeping, I guess. I don't know. I think he took a nap. But we are almost here. We are a couple minutes away. So today we're doing a little bit of, what do you call it? Recon? We're doing a little bit of recon. And we're gonna go check out a location. We've been looking for a new location for our show, the Dumpster Expo 2025. So Keystone's still a part of it. We're actually meeting Keystone at this location. So Keystone's still going to be the main sponsor of the show itself, but we were kind of wanting something covered, something a little more. The last couple of years, that sun has been killer. So a covered location, something a little more official. So anyways, we're a couple miles out. We're gonna go check it out, and we'll see you over there. So we got an arena in the back. We got an ugly blue dumpster in the front.
Oh, Josh.
They got an ugly blue bin, that's what I said when I rolled in.
I know, they need some American out
No,
here.
it's way too far.
Huh?
Way too far.
Well, they need some rhino then.
Yeah.
So the only issue might be the dirt, right? I don't know, we just gotta look at it, right? Well, we can park a ton
There's
of
a
people
lot
right
of
there.
yeah, space out here.
We'll go in right there and look and see what it's up. Have your own press box, man,
Yeah.
at both ends, huh?
So the thought is to the vendors in here.
I don't know what the thought is yet, you know? We could probably get them to smooth out the dirt, drag it flat. This is my first time to see it, so it's just a thought, right?
I mean, it is nice and cool in here, though.
Yeah, we could DJ from up top,
Right?
huh? From either end. We could have the food trucks. Let's see, there's,
Can you drive in here?
yeah,
You're okay with driving in here?
yeah. Yeah, we can drive in here because they get tractors in here to clean all this up, you know? So I think we could drive in here. We could probably set everybody up in here if we can get trailers in here, huh? What do you think? Let's see. Let's go down there and see if there's an access gate or something.
Yeah, everything would fit.
Huh?
Everything would fit for sure.
It's definitely nice, cool, and you got gates there.
Yeah. So big trucks would stay outside.
I don't know about that overhead, huh?
Yeah, big trucks would have to stay outside.
Well, I don't know. We'll have to look at it and see if there's another way in.
Well, I mean,
Too low?
the roof.
Too low?
Well, for the big trucks, yeah. But I mean, we don't need big trucks inside, anyways.
No, we could put all them in the parking lot, right?
Yeah. I
It
mean,
looks like
literally
though.
the stage would be in. Everything would be inside. Stage. You can put the vendors. Can put all the seats. Can put the.
Yeah, I mean, it's about the same size as Keystone's front yard, you know?
Yeah.
Except it's all under roof.
Do you know the dimensions?
No, I can get it.
I think they got the big old fans too.
It would definitely be cool,
Yeah.
you know? And if it's raining, we're good. Big trucks will be outside.
Yeah, because I mean the stage, right? Stage
Yeah.
would be really big seating, and a bunch of room for vendors. Garage door there too. I wonder if that garage door leads straight through
It does.
here too. Yeah.
It does. I looked at it when I was down there. You can come straight through there or straight through there, either way. That garage door appears to be about the same height as this one, so.
A playground for the kids. We're
Yeah.
gonna do it on a weekend this time, so
Yep.
hopefully we get some more kids.
Intermission, we can do some calf roping.
There you go. How many trucks do you think we might get? You think we'll do?
Well,
Y'all bring a bunch, or what you got?
You know, we had. I'm not worried about us really. We'll bring one or two, you know, just for the show or whatever.
The more the merrier, really. That's what people want to see.
But then we'll bring them up.
Yeah.
But, you know, last year Mac brought what, 2 or 3. Peterbilt brought some restrooms. That would be nice.
Yeah.
Step up the game. No more porta potties.
Oh yeah,
Huh?
yeah, they're pretty nice too. And we can put banners and all kinds of sponsored advertising or sponsors it.
You know what? That's not a bad idea. You could sell
on the
banners.
things. Yeah.
We could banner the whole thing
Yep.
with different sponsors.
Oh yeah, they got a whole kitchen back here.
They may even run it for us, you know?
Dang, it looks like they've got seating over there or something.
We can walk around there. That'd be pretty cool, though, if you turned it on, did hot dogs and,
Yeah.
you know, hamburgers or whatever. We can get somebody
Oh, this is it. Yeah, you got like a whole indoor. This.
to indoor little kitchen area, yeah. For people that want to go inside and eat.
Said the PA with the speakers, big speakers, lighting.
Big fans, if you need them. Lots of lights. Yeah, you can see the PA system speakers right above you. So
Yep.
I bet they're pretty good.
VIP changing room or something. Right behind the stage.
Yeah, this is pretty easy. Just the
Yep.
headroom's kind of limited. You want me to get a tape measure, measure that?
It's got to be what?
We can get all
I'm
trailer.
about 6 feet, so you're talking about 18.
If it's 18, you can get a big truck.
Yeah, I'm definitely not 6 feet though, so we're talking like 5 feet.
Well, you're 6 foot. In your world.
Not even in my world, that's right.
Let me get a tape measure just to measure.
So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's a 14-foot door, so that's 12 feet. Should have thought about that before you got the tape measure.
You already got it measured?
Yeah, well, I think these are 2-foot panels, right?
Yeah, that's 12.6. And I bet they made it 13 foot. If you
Yeah, it's a
drive
little
and if you drive something down the road, it's got to be under 13.6.
Yeah, that's true.
So you can fit anything you want in here. Any truck, any trailer, anything.
You think so? Yeah.
Yeah. You got to be under 13.6.
And that was 12. Well,
That's 12.6, and you got
12.6.
another 6 to that bar. I think it's 13 feet. So I guarantee you can get any truck you want in there with the can on it. 12.10, 12, almost 13.
that'd be really cool if we can bring the trucks in and then line them up in the back, and then a stage in the front, seats in the middle,
And all the vendors
on the sides.
right and left.
It would look really good. I think my truck would. I don't even know this exact size.
We gotta set that up for sure.
Oh gosh. What are you playing, man? You play too much.
12.8, 12.10, somewhere around there.
Some trucks could fit. I'm sure some might not, but that's fine.
I bet a majority of them can.
Majority of them would, yeah.
Majority. Yeah. And if they can't,
Just don't
then
bring
that
40
just
yard.
top section of the stack's got to come on,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can put it back on once we get it through.
Heck yeah, that'd be really nice.
We'll double check just so we know we did. Oh yeah, you're already way past the legal limit.
It's cool. It's different. I don't know of any conference show I've been to in a rodeo.
You'd have to run it Texas theme,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah.
It's up to
If you got time, I've always got time.
It's up to you.
The time I can literally go out and walk and think.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, Holiday Inn Suite. Okay, yeah. Kind of the same. Yeah, it's literally the same area. Very good. Thank you, man.
Appreciate you, man.
We will see you.
I thought that's if the package still sells good.
course. A little above the maximum load. I'll go in there later and cut it up, bring it down a little bit. That's pretty tall, high enough, right? Let me go more to the right.
Way far, bro. Guys, if I die, tell my mom I love her. That's all?
Careful.
Is it?
Hold on. Can I go closer or no?
Yeah, you got about like this much.
Do you want me to go closer?
Yeah.
That's it.
Nice. Yeah, I was not reaching that.
It's wobbly, so. And then we got a sketchy ass ladder too. You might want to move her car because we tip.
This could tip?
I mean, if you keep shaking it like a monkey.
Well, it's because you gotta like test it, you know?
Yeah, see how much play you
See
got.
how much play I got.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a far fall anyway, so.
No. You could jump. You can land on your feet fine.
Yeah, exactly.
Might be a broken ankle or something, but that's about it.
Dang.
Why are you putting the ladder like that and not like facing the?
What?
Why isn't it? Isn't it easier the ladder faces that way or no?
I don't know, bro. I just work here.
Okay. You're kind of going over your shoulder to do that when you could just be facing forward.
That is true.
That's just me.
Would you recommend me moving it?
I don't care. If you can do it like that, do it like that. I'm just saying. That sun is beating down, bro.
How far do I gotta go? Do you know?
I don't know. If you're using a long one, pretty far.
Okay. That one works. Work. Bet.
Tell me when.
Oh. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop.
They just put one right there on the. Damn, they just put one on the tarp, bro.
I know, that was jacked up, right?
That is jacked up.
For sure. For sure.
You stay up here. Go with the cameras.
I think if I just tap a small hole and then drill that through, it would probably be good. Okay.
Which one?
The blue one?
All right, so we are done for the day. The drive all the way out there to Ponder was a good 4 hours each way. No, 4 hours round trip. It was like it took up half the day. Let's just say that. So it took up a while going all the way out there and back. Got to check out the location. I'm kind of excited. There are some things, you know, I don't know. The ultimate idea or I envisioned the show to be I want it to be open and friendly to everybody in the entire country, right? Like I want it to bring in everyone, not just Texans or people from Texas or Oklahoma and neighboring states, right? This show is intended to be a nationwide show. So we'll see. We'll see at the end of the day. Like I got a couple more leads, a couple more places I'm looking into to see if it'll be a better fit for the show. Hopefully by the time this video drops, you guys will have it already confirmed, and we'll put it down in the comments below or in the description below. But as always, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. We out.